Hey, back with another video. So I haven't been on here talking about smokables lately, but I got both of the daggers here. So we have Wild Dagga and KLIP Dagga. Okay, so you have to be careful when you get this, the daggers, because a lot of vendors will, they'll tell you that you're getting KLIP Dagga and it's Wild Dagga, or it could be Wild Dagga and it's KLIP Dagga. Now, I can't tell you which is the best, but we are actually finna smoke it, and y'all will be able to, we'll tell you, give you a little bit of feedback, but you have to determine that for yourself, because when I did my research and talked to different people, everybody chose a different one, it seemed like. So you have to decide what is best for you. So let's get ready to light this and get into it. Look, hubby just gave me the lighter. You gonna be smoking too? Okay, so you gonna try it? Okay, I'm gonna try this other. Yeah, the other one was stronger. Well, there y'all have it. I have to say that the Wild Dagga was stronger. The first thing that we're going to talk about is Wild Dagga. Okay, Wild Dagga is a perennial plant that grows for several years. Wild Dagga leaves are much thinner and longer, but they both have THC effects. They say that the Wild Dagga has more prominent effects. So I'm just gonna pick one up. Actually, I'm gonna pick them both up because I want y'all to see the difference between the two. This is KLIP Dagga and this is Wild Dagga. Okay, this is like a bright orange color, and this is a like a paprika orange color. Now they both regulate heart rate. They help with heart palpitations, irregular heartbeats, relieves pain, treats bee stings and bites, great for the blood pressure, great anti-inflammatory, legal substitute for marijuana. They're both just wonderful, wonderful herbs if you're looking to maybe have a substitute for cannabis or something like that. Okay, now also, I wanted to show you this too. I'm just going to take one out the bag for the KLIP Dagga. You can see these are a little sticky. They're, you know, you have to be careful when you're handling them because it can be quite sticky, whereas this, you don't have to worry about getting the prick because they don't have it. So if you're trying to determine between the two of them, just look for those characteristics. And like I said, the leaves are much different. Like the, also the Wild Dagga is also called lion's tail, whereas KLIP Dagga is called lion's ear. Okay, and it has leaves like catnip. Okay, the life cycle is short. The leaves are the way to tell them apart. They're wider, almost heart shaped, with a serrated edge. Flowers bright orange. So like I was saying, as I was saying, they have the serrated edge on them. And also, when you are smoking these, the last time I smoked, I think y'all remember, I'm a tea drinker. I'll drink the hell out of some tea, but I am not that much of a smoker. But I'll every now and then I'll smoke it. But my husband, now he smokes a little bit more than I do. So, but what I was gonna say is, you can also use marshmallow root to help with the burning of the throat, because that's kind of what I experienced when I smoked it. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to see if there's which one is the, actually I want to see which one has the best effect, what will give you the best effect, which one is the stronger dagga. Okay, so my husband rolled the wild dagga and the kelp dagga, which I'm gonna try it again. You know what, I should have put some marshmallow leaf in there to kind of soothe the throat, because that's what you can do if you get that burning sensation. You can add marshmallow to it.